This is why you need to book a little time in New York for one slice. Follow me down a subway line, past bodegas, straight to viral bliss. Yes, it's messy. Yes, it's worth it. Okay, first up, location. This spot blew up online for slapping slow-braised oxtail tangy just herbs onto a crisp pizza base. Picture braised beef so tender it practically poses for photos. You'll want to get here early. Weekday mornings are the stealth move. Weekends mean lines and influencers. Plan. Subway comfortable shoes, small backpack. Bring cash if you want to skip the card line, but most places take contactless. If you have beef allergies or dietary restrictions, skip it or call ahead. Ordering hack, split a slice and add a side to taste more without blowing your meal budget. Ask for extra just on the side if they offer it. You'll thank me when you dunk. Pair it with something crisp. A sparkling soda, a citrusy beer, a vinegar-forward slaw. First bite, the crust hits crunchy, then that oxtail velvet melts in. Savory, slightly sweet, herbaceous. It's messy. Napkins are non-negotiable. Film one good close-up for the gram, then actually taste it. If you want to skip the line, call ahead for pickup or check times when they open new batches. And remember, viral doesn't mean perfect for everyone, but it's a must-try if you love bold flavors and NYC food adventures. Go hungry, be patient, and enjoy the greasy, glorious ride.